Hi, I'm John Binchi. I'm the Director of Maintenance and Operations for the Mill Valley School District. Last year we conducted a facilities assessment and found that in the next 10 years we'll have to spend $47 million on repairs to our infrastructure here at our schools. The middle school cost alone will be $23 million in the next 10 years. Two of the most expensive items that we've identified so far are HVAC and roofing. The HVAC units are 20 years old and at the end of their life cycle. The roof is 18 years old and also at the end of its life cycle. To replace our HVAC is going to cost $5.9 million, and our roof, it would cost another $1.7 million. The school may look okay from the outside, but the systems and structures are starting to fail because of its age. Our priority is to provide a well-functioning space for our students and our teachers.